Hello, this is Casually Clara with the chewiest brownies of your dreams, plus a little Easter egg hunt thrown in for the kids. But year round, this is the most satisfying chocolate brownie recipe, and it's very simple to make. So let's gather our ingredients and let's get started. We had a lot of fun adding Easter eggs to our brownie mixture, and I'll show you those results after. But for now, let's chop up our semi-sweet chocolate into shards of goodness. Look at that. We'll get one big bowl ready for all of our ingredients. And to start, we will bloom our cocoa powder. This really unlocks the chocolate flavor while allowing us to completely sidestep the double boiler method or all those messy methods. We will add a little bit of those chocolate chunks, and you will be surprised how glossy this mixture becomes. Add your vanilla and of course your sugar. This recipe skips the oil in favor of butter, and we have a method for keeping all that flavor but ensuring that the brownie doesn't get greasy. So I'll show you that in a second. We add in our salt. And now for our eggs. We have 2 full eggs and then 2 egg yolks. Those additional yolks will soak up any potential greasiness and give it a really nice texture. Of course, our flour. And my whisk is just not gonna cut it here. This is a pretty thick batter. We'll get a spatula to stir the remaining. Now your batter is ready for any fun additions. I do a lot of chocolate. My husband says it's the best. It does add a lot of gooiness to the chewiness. And of course, I'm gonna add in a caramel egg here. We are ready to bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. You know your brownies are ready when the edges pull away from the pan. This will have to cool for about an hour, which is a really long time to let your brownie sit there with little kitchen elves that just come out of nowhere and start poking around for that Easter egg. But we did let this cool, and we're chopping in to find, that's the creme, hard-boiled looking, but the caramel was a really big success, a super fun surprise to find in our brownies. I would love to hear if you decide to add Easter candy to your brownies and how it turns out. Either way, I hope you give it a try. These are incredible brownies. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.